I'm gonna get to see all of it from this end. Oh my god, look at that. I wanna just stay here and don't move. It's just say morning, Fem Bam. Hey.
Morning.
Ty. Tyler. Sarah. Say cuckoo. Say hi. Look at her face. Hi face. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new chilly day here in Paris. Let me tell you, man, Paris is just giving it to us, but we are not letting it stop our shine, okay? We're out today and we are heading to Tyler's most, what should I say? Tyler most, what should I call today? Tyler most looking forward to spot. Where are we going, Ty?
No, not that you can call it. The monument the most visited in the world.
Well, there you have it. We're going to the monument that is most visited in the world. And if it's not in the title, then you comment down below and guess and see if you know where that is.
But I'm going to tell it to you.
Okay.
And the answer is ta-da! Eiffel Tower.
Yay! And a round of applause for the Eiffel Tower visit. You guys, we're heading to the Eiffel Tower right now. And Tyler is so looking forward to today. He's so looking forward to this trip. And it was raining this morning, but it stopped raining now. And it should be a little sun out for the rest of today. So, you're gonna have fun?
Yes, Mama.
Yes.
Stop balancing your hand.
I'm to stop balancing my hand. What does that mean?
Because you're doing this.
Oh.
Just balancing your hand.
Balancing is like swinging in English. Franglish, babe, say. So he said to stop swinging my hand. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are doing well and is enjoying all of the vacation vlogs that we've been posting. And if this video is your first one, then go ahead and watch all the vacation vlogs that we've been posting so far. We're on a 4 weeks tour, 4-week vacation, 4-week road trip. Right now we settled in Paris for 2 weeks. We've been enjoying Paris so far, but today is really where the tour kicked off for Paris settlement. So here goes the Eiffel Tower in the heart of Paris City, and I'm so looking forward to it. I have been to the Eiffel Tower on my very first trip to France. The very first day I arrived here, my wonderful husband took me to the Eiffel Tower, and that will forever be a memory in my mind. Yes, baby.
Is the Eiffel Tower the heart of Paris?
It is in the heart of Paris.
Is the Eiffel Tower the heart of Paris because it's the most visited monument in the world. That means the heart of Paris is the most visited thing.
Exactly. So it will forever be a memory in my mind that I'll never forget. And it will be Tyler's first time. It'll be Sarah's first time. And I'm so looking forward to see Tyler's face the minute he sees that Eiffel Tower in front of him. So let's go enjoy the rest of today's vlog. And before you watch any further, give it a thumbs up right now. Comment down below and let us know at the end of today's vlog what part of the vlog was your favorite and how are you enjoying the vacation vlog so far. So have a good day, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. We love each and every one of you and all the new subscribers that we've gotten on this vacation thus far. Welcome to the Fam Bam, welcome to Raw and Real, welcome to the Jamaican French life, and just enjoy the ride, enjoy the journey, and enjoy the simpleness of life with us. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. in Paris, middle of Paris right now, walking towards the Eiffel Tower. But I wanted to show you guys what the apartments here in Paris look like. You will never find one single building here because there's just no space. But this is to give you guys an idea of what the apartments look like. Old buildings. These buildings are built from years and years ago, and they remain this way. That's how most of Paris look, like this. And normally you always have some kind of store at the bottom. It's normally not the apartment down the bottom. It's either bank or clothes store or pharmacy or restaurant, you name it. But yeah, this is the Paris life. Show you guys around all the buildings. These are all apartments looking the exact same way. That's Paris. What's that?
Eiffel Tower.
That's the Eiffel Tower. You see it? See a little piece of it peeking out? Look! That's a piece of it right there. Tyler said, wow. Let's take a photo right here. So at the bottom of the Eiffel Tower around the back, you have these amazing playground for the kids. They have so much activity. They have the climbing, they have the slide, and a lot of different things on both sides, on this side and this side. And there's an area where you can do picnic over there if you wish. There's a lot of people working out too, running in the park. But this is at the back of the Eiffel Tower. Now we're approaching to go towards the front so we can pay in line to go up. I don't know how far up we'll go, but let's see. But there's an elevator that takes us from the bottom to the middle, and then from the middle all the way to the top. So let's see how far we can go.
When we go all the way at the top like that, we can get some nice picture of the view.
I'm hoping to go to the top too, but let's see. As we're walking now around the back of the Eiffel Tower, I'm seeing little shops where you can get snacks over there. And there are cute little pigeons all along the park. Too cute. Sarah is awake now too, so that's so good. I can get some really nice pictures. Oh my god, now I'm gonna get to see all of it from this end. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at it. Look at that tie. Tyler is just taking it in. You're so happy. You don't have to scream, pumpkin. I know, but you don't have to scream. I want Princess to get out. Sarah, look up. We are at the beautiful Eiffel Tower. I'm still at the back. I wanna just stay here and don't move. It's just absolutely breathtaking. It's just absolutely beautiful. And this is the back where we don't even reach to the front as yet, and we're taking our jolly time because this is all on our agenda for today. We're also going to go on the famous street, but the Eiffel Tower is our main focus for today. So hopefully you guys are taking it in and is enjoying it the way I'm enjoying it. But the camera will do it no justice. You really have to be here and take it all in right in front of you. But I'm doing the best I can to bring that feel to you guys. Look at it. Look at that. She's not strapped. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And as you guys can see, people are sitting down, picnicking right here. What better way to picnic than under the Eiffel Tower? Absolutely beautiful. You guys, the closer I get, the more beautiful it is. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. So not just that there is an elevator, but there's a step that you can take. If you don't want to do the elevator, you can do the stairs, go all the way up. And it seems like the rain is going to come back down any minute, so we need to make use of the sunshine. We are going to the top of the Eiffel Tower. We wanted to go to the top, but the top is closed, so we'll only get to go to the middle. So we just finished the lines and we're gonna go in this one and then go all the way up to the top. We are going up, we're in the elevator right now and we're heading to the top. And you guys can already see the Paris River and the carousels and that side of Paris that we haven't shown you guys as yet. But we're going all the way to the top. You can also see people walking down on the steps. So if you don't want to take the elevator, you have options of stepping it up. And we've arrived. Which is this? Is this? Okay. I think when you and I came, this is where we came. So this is the first floor, but we're not coming off here. We're going to the second floor. So onto the second floor we go. And we're off. Wow, you can see all over Paris. Oh my god, you guys. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my, tell her. I can feel the altitude changing in my ears. Why? Aww. Read a height. If your ears feel different, just swallow. Swallow your spit. Okay? Bye, go. We are here at the top. At the top. At the top. Wow. Look at that, you guys. That's over Paris. Wow. Here in the middle in front of me?
The building is where they are now.
Wow. So babe said this is where the government is. This is the government? Oh. Okay, so this is where the president and such do their speech. This place in front of you. Look at that. You're too coward, honey. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Regarde les gens comme ils sont tous des... Venez, on va se mettre ailleurs. Venez là.
Look. You see that? Papa don't like height, so this is not easy for him at all. Wow. So there you guys have the beautiful view of Paris. Wow, breathtaking. That's the boat down there. That's the Paris River. It's called Batomosh down there.
Hey guys, this is the other side of the Eiffel Tower. You can see all of these buildings. This is typical from Paris. And here is the river.
This is another section of the Eiffel Tower. I don't know if they've already showed you guys, but okay, there we go. This is where we were walking from earlier and taking photos all along. This is where we actually entered from all along behind this building is where we entered, and we walked come all the way up here, and then we came inside. So this is this end. Beautiful. And then that's the top. Like I said, we can't go up because the tickets are up there was finished, so we can't go up at the top. But this is a perfect view for us. And then this is another section again, close to the river. So there we go with this side. You want me to lift you up, Ty?
Yes.
I will.
Hold on, Papa said he will. So there you have down there is a little, like a little river. Not even a little river, like a little pool going on, fountain thing going on down there. Tell her, please. Papa lift him up so you can see. There is a restaurant up here, but it's very expensive, like 500 euros per plate. Don't babe?
I don't know, but
It's very expensive, and you have to book like a year in advance. No babe?
Invite president.
Babe says her president, invite president.
Mama?
It's very presidential. Mama is speaking.
Mama? When somebody finishes the telescope, can we pay for you to look in it?
No, it's the same thing you're gonna see when if you look in it. Smile.
So guys, we are at the carousel beside Mrs. Eiffel, the tower. So Tyler is here in the tiger, while little princess is here. Tyler is here, Tyler is here in the tiger. There's little Miss Princess. Ooh, with a horse. Tyler is here.
Sarah changing to an aeroplane. I'm here, boom, boom. Sarah found a friend. This little girl. Wow. Beep beep. Tyler. We are riding carousel. Yes. Ice cream time. Yummy? Yummy Ty?
Yes, but no, yummy. Well, not yummy.
Yummy, tummy. This is the first person I see bite ice creams. Yummy Ty? You guys, I'm buying churros. You guys know I'm obsessed with churros. Churros is here. We're gonna grub and we're gonna walk. So the churros life in Paris streets. So good. Quite a few people out. We're going across the bridge right now at the Paris River. We're moving on from the Eiffel Tower, going to another spot. So everybody's grubbing. Look at Tyler.
Mama?
Eiffel Tower behind us.
Can I pass from...
What is it?
No, the can manage.
What is I'm seeing is the Olympic Games sign.
Yeah. Let me see your happy face. Let me see your happy face. Churros face. Wow. Watch him looking to see if the camera goes up. Are you negative, some man?
No, I'm just
Looking out for me.
safe. Because this is windy.
Nyla, look. You think the wind can blow it off over there, sir? This heavy camera? Bay! Bay! Honey! Husband! 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 You're not looking? No. Let me see if I can catch Sarah now. Sarah, look at Mama. Oh, oh, hey. You guys, we're on the other side of the Eiffel Tower, and this is what it's looking like from this angle. Absolutely gorgeous. So there we go. From this end. This is another famous monument here in France. Very, very, very famous. This one right here. So we are at, what's the name of this street, babe? We are at Champs-Élysées. I always have problems saying that word. This is considered one of the most beautiful streets in the world. So that's where we are right now.
Come and see here.
But don't leave from where I am at. We. We have a surprise for Tyler that he doesn't know about, that he's gonna see right now. His favorite person, one of his favorite persons across the street, and he's going to see her right now. He's gonna get the surprise of his life. Tyler, who is that in front of you? Who is that person right there?
Italina.
Run, go on. He didn't know. We didn't tell him. Hello, my baby.
Comment ça va?
Ça va et toi? That's the cousin of babe. Sarah is sleeping. She's sleeping. She's tired. Ça va? Wait, babe, I have to take a picture of this one. So this street have all the expensive, most expensive stores in France. All the rich of the rich and the celebrities and the riches are spent on this street. Dior is over there. Cartier is right there. All the expensive goodness is on this secret.
I would see her.
I know, we hid it from you. It was a secret. That's who Papa been talking on the phone with all this time. It's who Papa been talking on the phone with all this time, but we didn't want it to know, wanted to surprise you. I know you'd be happy. You remember I told you that in 2 minutes you'll be happy and you're to trust me? That's what I was talking about. Look at his face. He loves his Idalina.
I trust you now.
You trust me now?
Yeah.
Avenue des Champs-Élysées. You'd never expect that's how it's spelled. But that's it. I would have never guessed that's how it's spelled. Avenue des Champs-Élysées. Voila. There you go. 800 euro just for one pen. Now you tell me, what is in this pen? Magic.
You write by itself.
Oh, it writes by itself. It writes gold. No boo. All the money, all the riches that I could have had in this life, papermate will do. You have the most famous Louis Vuitton store in the world. If you think I'm lying, Google search. Look, there's a line to get inside that Louis Vuitton store. You can't really see it properly from where I'm standing, but maybe if I go somewhere to the side, you'll see the line. It is said that there's always a line here. Well, girl, there you go, for the Louis V fans. Last view before I leave. So this is how far we're coming from. You can see the pumps all the way up.
Yeah, so here's what they call the obelisk.
The long thing in the middle?
Yes, the long thing.
Okay.
And not too far you have the Louvre, the museum.
Ah, so we're gonna go back to the Louvre for
Where you
next
have
day.
Leonardo da Vinci.
What's the movie called again?
The Louvre.
No, the movie that we watched that he stole the thing from the Louvre. Lupin. Wow. That is absolutely gorgeous. No tie. Isn't it tie? And that's the other end. Because look how cute she is killing that name. Look how cute you are. Look how cute you are. You wanna see yourself? Who's that? Hi. Hi. Yummy? Yum, yum, yum. In your tummy, yes.
You want some?
Yes, please. You guys, we are just reaching home at 10:30 p.m. Let me just tell you guys that something really bad happened to me in Paris.
I know.
But I will not tell it to you guys right now. You just have to wait for tomorrow's vlog because it deserves its own vlog, okay? So I'm just gonna end today's vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy the Eiffel Tower the way we did and enjoy the little tour of Paris. No, make sure you guys have a good night's sleep and come back for tomorrow because it's juicy. I'm gonna film it right now because trust me, it needs crowd. Enough crowd. Subscribe if you're new to the family. Catch my people, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.